Hey Ashika, I'm feeling so empowered after our self-defense training workshop.
I know, right? I feel like I can actually protect myself if I ever want to.
Exactly, the trainer taught us some really useful techniques like how to be aware of our surroundings and how to use our voices to assert ourselves.
I know, right? I loved how they emphasized on being confident and taking a stand for ourselves. They taught us that it is not just about our physical fitness, it is about being brave and taking a stand for ourselves.
Totally, and I'm so grateful to our school and the local police department for organizing this workshop. And it's amazing to see how committed they are to our safety and well-being.
Definitely, this workshop has taught me the tools and the confidence I need to take care of myself.
Same here, let's make a pact to practice these techniques regularly and always look out for each other.
Together, we can create a safer and stronger community for all the girls.